everyone, I'm Christa, shamanic practitioner as well as teacher of shamanic classes, and welcome to my video talking about the 10 signs that indicate you need to see a shamanic practitioner to receive shamanic healing. Now, our lives get busy. We get busy with work and family obligations or taking care of kids or with school, that we often get busy and we neglect ourselves, ignore ourselves, and then ignore the 10 signs that I'm going to talk about that indicate you are in need of shamanic healing. A lot of times we ignore our own self-care. So these signs are very important to know, that if you experience one of these signs or multiple ones, that is a good indicator that now it's time to do some beautiful healing work to heal these within yourself through shamanic healing to get back on track to live a happy, healthy, and successful life. All right, so let's talk about the first one. Number 1, you experienced a trauma that you are having trouble healing from. So perhaps you experienced a trauma in childhood. This could be childhood abuse or an illness or an accident that happened, or perhaps you experienced a trauma as a teenager or in your young adult years or even in your other adult years, but you just can't seem to shake it. You can't seem to heal from it. Maybe you're experiencing some post-traumatic stress disorder symptoms. Maybe you're having trouble sleeping or feel anxious or depressed, or flashbacks of the past trauma are playing out in your mind. Then that is a good time to then recognize that and go to a shamanic practitioner to receive shamanic healing. And this is something that I do work with my shamanic healing clients to heal these past traumas. Number 2, you feel disempowered and feel not good enough in your life and feel that other people are better than you. So maybe you're not feeling good enough. You're comparing yourself to other people. I call it the compare and despair syndrome. You compare yourself to others thinking that other people are better than you, and then you start to despair about that. You get down on yourself. You feel sad. You feel depressed. You feel not good enough. And you're having a hard time getting out of that type of thought. That limiting belief of not feeling good enough can sabotage you, sabotaging your success, sabotaging your goals, preventing you from going after your goals, and preventing you from going after your dreams. Because when you have a belief like that, I'm not good enough, you might feel depressed, down on yourself, disempowered, and then you think to yourself, well, I want to achieve something, but why bother? Because I'm not good enough, it's not going to work out, or I'm not going to be successful. So that will really limit your success in life and limit your ability to live a happy and fulfilled life, a satisfied life. So if you're starting to think that way, then it's a good time to consider doing shamanic healing work to help heal and release that limiting belief, help to heal that disempowered feeling so that you feel empowered within yourself, so that you can achieve good things and go after your dreams. Okay, number 3, you have lost your inner spark and you feel depressed and empty. So if you get up in the morning and you think like, oh, how am I going to face the day? I feel like my inner sparkle is gone. I'm feeling depressed. I'm feeling empty. Then it's good to recognize what you're feeling. And then it's a good indicator that shamanic healing can help to heal that state, helping to heal that emptiness, heal that depression, and then to boost up your inner spark and help you to regain that so that you can shine brightly in your life and be radiant, to be joyful and to feel empowered, and also to help you to regain confidence that has been lost as well. Number 4, you feel stuck in life. So you feel stuck in life, that whatever you're working on is just not moving forward. You feel like you've plateaued at a certain level. So for instance, maybe in your job, you're having a hard time going forward in the job, where you're not getting a job promotion or feel stuck. Or maybe you feel stuck at a certain skill level, or feel stuck in your education, or feel stuck in your relationships, okay, or feel stuck financially, that you can't get ahead financially. Then it's a good thing to stop and to recognize that you're feeling stuck, and then doing a shamanic healing session can help heal the wounds that are creating that stuckness, heal the patterns that are creating that stuckness, to help you to move forward in your life again. Number 5, you are unclear on your life's direction and your purpose in life. So if you are feeling like, what is my life's purpose? What should I be doing in this world? What kind of profession or vocation should I have? And you're unclear on your purpose and direction, then doing a shamanic healing session can help you to uncover clarity, to uncover what that purpose is, what direction is, what is good next steps that you can take to fulfill your purpose and to fulfill your special destiny in life. Sometimes we get confused about what our life's purpose is, what direction is, and especially from conditioning from family members or friends. If your parents have been telling you that your life's direction or profession should be a certain type of vocation, but it doesn't sit right with you or it doesn't feel right in your heart, having a shamanic healing session can help you break free from that conditioning, help you break free from all of that that has been projected onto you from your parents, to help you to be the person that you are meant to be, to live the life that you are meant to live, to have the vocation or profession that you are meant to do, or to fulfill your unique life's purpose. So having a shamanic healing session can help you uncover that clarity. Okay, so number 6, your life takes a turn for the worse and you don't know why, even though you're putting good energy into different aspects in your life. So perhaps you're putting good energy into relationships, but relationships are going sour. Either friendships are going sour, or you put good energy into a love relationship, but that's not working out. You put good energy into your job only to get laid off or to get fired for some unknown reason, or for some, reason that doesn't make sense. Or you're trying to get ahead financially, but your finances take a turn for the worse. Then it's a good opportunity then to do a shamanic healing session to help heal the wounds and to help turn that misfortune back into good fortune. And sometimes with this type of pattern, there could be other limiting beliefs that can be sabotaging things, or patterns of self-sabotage, or perhaps someone is projecting an energy upon you because they are jealous of you, and that is sabotaging good things happening for you. So doing a shamanic healing session can help clear those negative energies and help you to get back on track, to turn that misfortune into good fortune so that you can be more successful. Okay, number 7, you have a mysterious health issue and you go to the medical doctor, they run all the tests, but there is no clear diagnosis. In those kinds of situations, then it can be a good idea to have a shamanic healing session. So even in the shamanic healing work that I do with clients, I get a lot of people that have these unclear diagnoses, that there isn't a clear diagnosis of why physical symptoms are manifesting for that person, why there's a certain illness. And in a shamanic session, we can actually uncover what is out of balance energetically that is leading to the manifestation of this illness or manifestation of these physical symptoms, and help to heal that imbalance, correct that imbalance, restore balance and harmony so that the body heals, the symptoms heal, the person comes back into a state of balance, harmony, and wholeness and good health. So a lot of times in shamanic healing cultures, that when the person who is ill has taken on negative energies, that they've absorbed other people's negative emotions or stress states, or they have also then had their own emotions get stuck in the body. We're human, we're going to have emotions, but if we have big emotions that we can't fully process, those emotions will go back into the body, into a chakra, into an organ, gland, tissue, joint, or into the aura. And over time, if it does not get cleared, it will sit and fester and then lead to illness and create illness. Why? Because that energy is a low vibration. It's a disharmonic energy that then can lead to illness. So having a shamanic healing session, we can release those negative energies, clear that from you, restore good health that way. So if you're experiencing that, it might be a good time to consider doing a shamanic healing session. Okay, number 8, you become affected by other people's negative emotions and stress. So if you're a sensitive person or you're an empath and you find that you are absorbing these negative energies from other people or places, then it might be a good time to have a shamanic healing session to clear that, because Sometimes if you have absorbed, let's say in this example, anxiety, you went to go visit a friend, your friend is anxious, and then you go leave your friend, you go back home, and then you start feeling anxious yourself, and you think, geez, where's this anxiety coming from? I felt really good when I went to go see my friend, but now that I get back home, I can't shake this anxiety. So in that case, it's a good idea to do a shamanic healing session to clear those energies, to clear them so that they don't lead to illness or imbalance in the body. That's number one. But number two is to have a session to boost up your energy systems and to strengthen protection so that you are not so sensitive and not absorbing other people's negative emotions and stress states, or the negative emotions and stress states that are in the environment. So for instance, let's say you were to visit someone in the hospital has a lot of negative energies there. Lots of people are going through different emotions. They radiate those negative emotions into the environment. You walk in there and then you absorb those energies and take them into your body. And then it begins to affect you. It can affect your emotions, your mental state, your physical health. So we can clear those in a shamanic session and boost up protection so that you're not absorbing those energies. Okay, number 9, you can't seem to break free from unhealthy family patterns and negative family patterns. So for instance, maybe you see in your family there's a history of poor finances, you can't get ahead in terms of financial prosperity. Or maybe working career, you can see patterns in your family with your parents, your grandparents, that it's hard time to secure a good, stable, well-paying job. Or perhaps you see negative patterns in your family where love relationships go sour, or also health issues. Maybe there's a history of heart disease or depression in the family, or anxiety. We can clear those unhealthy patterns in a shamanic healing session so that you can break free from those unhealthy patterns to live a happy, healthier, and successful life, because those patterns can limit you. And then number 10, you want to improve your health and your life for the better. So if you think to yourself like, oh, I just want better circumstances, I want to be doing better in life, I want better health, I want to be more successful, I want to be more radiant, right? I want to feel more uplifted, I want to feel more inspired, then that is a good indicator that it's a good time to do shamanic healing to improve your health, to also improve your circumstances for the better, and to heal any negative patterns or wounds that are impacting health or impacting your success. So if you would like to do shamanic healing work, I do offer private online shamanic healing sessions on Zoom. You can book a private session with me on my website, shamanicspirit.ca, or if you're curious to learn more about shamanism and take a class in shamanic journey techniques and shamanic healing techniques, I do offer live and interactive online shamanic classes. You can check out my class schedule on my website, shamanicspirit.ca. All right, so I hope you have enjoyed this video and these different signs that indicate you may be in need of shamanic healing. These are good things to keep in mind. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Lots of love and light and blessings to you. Lots of good health to you, and may you enjoy this beautiful day.